Imagine trying to follow 7,741 different rules just to build one AI system safely. That's the reality companies face today. The AI guidance landscape is so fragmented that even experts feel lost. But what if there was a way to cut through this chaos? Today, we're revealing a breakthrough that transforms complexity into clarity. Here's the challenge. When organizations want to deploy AI responsibly, they turn to guidance documents, frameworks, standards, and best practices from governments, tech companies, and standards bodies. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the problem. These documents keep multiplying. Think of it like getting cooking advice from 52 different chefs, each with their own recipe book. Some tell you to focus on safety, others emphasize privacy, and many use completely different terminology for the same concepts. You'd spend more time reading recipes than actually cooking. This is exactly what's happening with AI. The result? Paralysis. Companies either ignore guidance entirely or implement it inconsistently. Neither option is good when AI impacts millions of lives. Researchers at the Center for Security and Emerging Technology tackled this problem head-on. They analyzed 7,741 recommendations from 52 major guidance documents and created a unified framework with just 258 harmonized recommendations. That's a 97% reduction while maintaining comprehensive coverage. But how did they do this? Think of it like organizing a messy closet. First, they used machine learning to group similar recommendations together, like sorting shirts, pants, and shoes. This created 34 clusters of related advice. Then, human experts reviewed each cluster and distilled the core message, eliminating redundancy while preserving nuance. The result is 5 clear categories that cover everything you need. Governance establishes who makes decisions and how. Safety ensures AI systems work reliably and don't cause harm. Security protects against attacks like data poisoning or model theft. Privacy safeguards personal information. And detection and response helps you monitor systems and react when things go wrong. But here's what makes this different from previous attempts. Instead of creating yet another framework from scratch, this approach respects existing guidance. It provides a crosswalk document that maps each harmonized recommendation back to its original sources. Plus, each recommendation gets an AI score showing whether it's AI-specific or applies to general IT systems. This helps you prioritize where to focus your AI-specific efforts. So why should you care about harmonized AI guidance? Let's get practical. If you're a startup building AI products, you no longer need a legal team to review dozens of frameworks. Start with these 258 recommendations, prioritize by AI score, and build responsibly from day one. You'll save months of research time. For enterprise leaders, this framework helps you audit existing AI systems. Use it as a checklist to identify gaps in your current practices. Maybe you've focused heavily on safety but overlooked security vulnerabilities like adversarial attacks. Now you can address those blind spots systematically. Policymakers benefit too. Instead of creating conflicting regulations, you can align new policies with this harmonized baseline, reducing compliance burden for organizations. And if you're an AI practitioner, this gives you a common language to discuss responsible AI across teams. No more debates about whether to follow NIST or ISO. You follow a unified framework that incorporates both. Let's recap the 3 essential points. Point 1. Organizations face guidance overload with over 7,000 conflicting AI recommendations, making implementation nearly impossible. Point 2. The Center for Security and Emerging Technology distills this chaos into 258 actionable recommendations across 5 categories: governance, safety, security, privacy, and detection and response. Point 3. This framework serves as your roadmap, whether you're building, auditing, or regulating AI systems, while revealing critical security gaps that need urgent attention. Do you want to know more? You'll find the report link right in the description. Go ahead and share it with your team, then kickstart your AI governance strategy today. And if this video got you curious, make sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button. See you next time!